So there are 3 bolts holding this silencer. There's 1. There is 2. And then there is 3. Oh, it's hard to get it on the light. There it is. See it up there? And that's actually using the same bracket as the intake does. So we're gonna remove those 3, and then we can free that sucker up and get it out of the way. Have a little more cooling area in there, and then have a little more turbo noises. Whew. Pretty hard to take out. So
Can you do a 93?
you can do it from there.
Turbo kit? What do you want me to do?
And now you have
So
all
buy the
this
parts separately, you just gotta
empty
install it.
space.
Everything has a built motor. It's running E85 already.
I can't, that's different.
And
It's gonna probably fit.
there's the hose we're gonna plug up. So we took this sucker out.
Filming again?
I'm always filming.
Why?
I want people to learn
Learn what? Our shenanigans?
how not to do things.
Don't make fun.
Oh, I love that shit, dude. Now it's all plugged up. And now we have all this empty space of cooling capacity. You can see the intake from here. And your intercooler pipe, the one you blew off.
The charge pipe.